Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on SOFI on October the 12th of this year, when the price of this asset was at $9.01, and I have to say that at that point I changed my mind from bullish count to more bearish count, and my main assumption was right here that we have to see this type of retracement. And guys, take a look on the video that I made before my previous video on October the 3rd. And right here we were at $7.74 on pre-market hours. And right here my main assumption was that we are forming the third wave, and we have to hit at least $10.5 mark with an upside potential of about 40%. And take a look right here, guys. We were at this point, and I told you that potentially we might have this type of retracement because of the ending first wave diagonal. Instead of this, with the high volume, extremely high volume, we broke the range and we hit exactly, guys, take a look right here, we hit exactly $10.5. So my previous count was eliminated, but the count before my previous count was 100% correct. And to be honest, yes, I was wrong with my prediction, but I told you not to enter the position, and the only damage that you have by watching my videos and taking my call is not to enter any position, and you don't have any gains or losses. And I have to say that it is totally okay to miss some predictions. And guys, I'm completely honest with you, and I'm crystal clear with my forecasts. No one can win 100% of trades. That is why you have to hold the ratio of wins and losses slightly above 50%. On top of that, you have to properly use trading strategy, and you have to hold your risk to reward ratio more than 3:1. In this case, you will be consistently profitable. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, guys, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, for now there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you, and it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and let's take a look again on its price action. Guys, I have to say that $10.5 is the price target that I set in the video before my previous video by using the fib extension tool. And it is not the only tool that showed us this range of resistance. Take a look right here. If we zoom out a little bit, if we take a look at this previous swing high, we were exactly at this spot back in end of December of 2023. And since then we were in this downtrend, and I have to say that I caught a lot of its movements. Definitely I didn't catch 100% of them, but my win ratio on SOFI is more than 80%. That is why, guys, you can rely on my technical analysis as a part of your due diligence. I will continue with the technical movements within just several minutes. And for now, let's take a look what happened at this very point. That was the reason of this quite substantial improvement in its volume, with the quite substantial movement to the upside that brought about 17% to its value. And take a look right here. If you Google SOFI stock and switch to new stock folder, you will find a set of news. The most important one that was related to its spike is this one. Let's take a look at it in details. SOFI stock could hit $15 after $2 billion fortress loan pact. And here are three main factors, let me quote to them. Despite considerable bets against the company, 17.9% of SOFI's shares are sold short, according to the Wall Street Journal. The stock could rise further. Here are three reasons. An expectations beating second quarter earnings report. Next one, fresh investment from Fortress Investment Group and lower interest rates, which could boost loan demand and reduce delinquencies. And guys, the second one is the most important one that propelled its movement to the upside, and let me show you some details of this news. So, a large investor demonstrated confidence in SOFI's prospects. On October 14th, SOFI announced a pact for Fortress Investment Group to provide $2 billion for personal loans, according to Barron's. The agreement will expand SOFI's capabilities in its loan platform business, where the company refers pre-qualified borrowers to loan origination partners, as well as originates loans on behalf of third parties, SOFI said in a press release. SOFI's loan platform business is an important part of our strategy to serve the financial needs of more members and diversify toward less capital-intensive and more fee-based sources of revenue, CEO Anthony Noto said in the release. And guys, definitely this announcement boosted the price of SOFI, but you have to keep in mind that none of the analytic firms updated the price target of SOFI, and we still have, according to TipRanks, the consensus analyst price target at $8.27. And take a look right here. The highest price target is at $12. We are not far from this range as well. That is why we have to be cautious. And according to marketbeat.com, we have 9.25% of consensus analyst price target with downside potential of 9.14%. And right here you can see the highest price target is at $14 mark. We are also quite close to this range, but let's take a look on the so-called smart money investors list. Here is the most important chart for the long-term holders. As you can see, this is the SOFI Technologies institutional ownership. In other words, it is the number of shares that belongs to the institutional investors, and this means more institutional investors want to hold SOFI stock in their investment portfolios. And for now, we are at all-time high according to this chart, and we clearly see this uptrend. This means the trend might continue, but in the medium and short-term perspective, we have to be cautious. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let's redo this count again. I don't need unnecessary tools. I was wrong with this prediction, but we still have, this is our first wave, this is our second, and to project the price target of the third one, I have to pull the fib extension tool from this bottom to this top and to the bottom of the retracement. And guys, take a look again right here. We hit exactly 1.618. Technically, we hit the first range that allows us to count this wave as the third wave, but we don't have proper subdivision in it. And if we take a look on indicators, we can see that we don't have bearish divergences on basically on any time frames. 3 hours time frame, we don't have it. 2 hours time frame, still don't have a bearish divergence. Hourly time frame, we don't have it. And to be honest, I think we might retest the $10.5 mark within upcoming days. If it breaks it, we might see the movement to the upside. Let me show you where we might land. The next range of resistance, according to fib extension tool, is $12.91. I have to say that it is pretty much the confluence with the $13 mark. It is the psychological number by itself. And it is the range of resistance from the price action that this asset had previously. But at the same time, guys, take a look right here. We have to break this range, as I already mentioned, $10.5. The next range of resistance will be at $11.72. This means if $10.5 range is broken, we might land somewhere in between $11.7 and $12.9. And definitely in this case, we potentially might form bearish divergences on multiple time frames. And in this case, we will have to see deeper retracement. And to be honest, do I like to have this type of trades? No, I don't, because we already have quite substantial movement to the upside, and I prefer to collect more asset on its recovery, on its retracement, and then it will give me more chances to hit much higher targets with the substantial profits. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on